It is 2025 and I am getting way better at not hoarding stuff. So, not hoarding a sample, actually trying to finish it so that I can make up my mind about whether I like it or not. And today's sample that I finished, that's pretty much finished, is Orpheon by Diptyque. This is maybe Diptyque's most hyped perfume right now. I feel like everybody is talking about it, everybody is looking for it, and I can see why. It is so fresh, so clean. It's slightly balsamic, so it's got like a pine forest kind of opening background, almost like it's there, but it's also got a clean musk. It's unisex for those reasons, because musk works well on everybody and pine works well on everybody, and people are really into this feeling of walking through a pine forest, but they also want something that makes them feel fresh, clean, refreshed. And Orpheon is all those things. It's soothing, calming, but it's also very, very clean. Musk typically lasts a really long time, so people really like that. So that is the perfume that I just sampled, finished. I think I got the sample months ago, so it took me a while to finish it. And then I'm gonna open my bottle today because why not? This part, I think, gets a little tedious, so I'll speed it up. Now, if you know anything about Diptyque, you will know that the EDPs come with this black border and the EDTs do not have a black border. So this is clearly an EDP. Some perfumes come in both formats, but Orpheon is one of those that only comes in this format, which is the EDP, and all their EDP bottles are 75 ml, unless they're special edition, and then sometimes they have different sizes. I haven't seen this one in a different size, but I did see that there was a Christmas version of this one. It was so pretty. I really wanted to get it, but I thought that I would sample it first and make sure I liked my sample. So I just have the regular bottle, but this is an EDP and I love these bottles. I have many Diptyque bottles, and they're the kind of bottle that I save even when they're empty, because they're just so beautiful to look at and they're like pieces of art. So that is Orpheon. If you are looking for something that's a clean pine forest scent, you might like this one.